tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Alright, so today we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies with all these lovely ingredients here. And this lovely oven back here. So, yeah, pretty basic recipe. We'll preheat the oven. 350. While the oven's preheating, we're going to start mixing the rest of the ingredients in this lovely mixer here. First, we're going to want to add 1 cup of butter. So I'm just going to cut up the butter a little bit here. Make it mix in a little bit better. That's all the butter we need. I'm going to be adding a cup of brown sugar. Pack that down a little bit. There we go, that's 1/2. That's about right. Be adding the sugar as well. So now we're going to mix this up until creamy. The sugar and butter mixture is now properly combined, so now we're going to add some eggs. 2 eggs, in fact. Crack this egg on into there. Add a second egg. The next step is adding some vanilla. We're going to be using our teaspoon here. 2 teaspoons, in fact. That looks about right. Mix it some more, but first we need to add some baking soda. First we must dissolve the baking soda in some hot water. How much hot water? 2 teaspoons of hot water. 1. Hot 2. Pour this baking soda water into the mixture. Now we're gonna add flour and chocolate chips. 3 cups of flour. 1. 2. A little bit too much, but that's why we do it over the sink. Accidents happen. Flour gets everywhere. That's what happens when you make cookies. I'm gonna add our 1.5 cups of, this is in fact 2 cups of chocolate chips. And 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt. Which I'm gonna guess. I guesstimate that is too much. I guesstimate this is enough. Perfect. Now, mix it up 1 final time.
Picking the nuts?
There's nuts too. We're gonna add nuts as well. We're gonna need 1 cup of walnuts, which I'm going to again guesstimate. That's about right. You don't want walnuts this size in your cookies, so I'm gonna give them a little chop. Alright, that's probably plenty small enough. Just gonna sweep these into the batter. There we go. Now we're gonna stir it up 1 final time. These things happen. Now that our batter is all mixed up, I'm going to bring over some cookie sheets and we'll start making. I guess we're making them the whole time. Portioning the cookies. Alright, now begin by oiling up the pans. Start portioning the cookies. This is too much. This is just right. Just right. It's beautiful. Just right. Thinking a 3 wide row is adequate. That's about all the cookies that can fit. We're gonna stick these in the well preheated oven, cook them up for 10 minutes. 10 minutes and we'll have cookies. So, time has been done. We're gonna take the cookies out now and see if they're done. To look more substantial. Let's see if these fall apart.
They're always gonna fall apart if they're hot.
Wait for these to cool, pull them off, make more cookies. It's fine, no one will know, no one will know, it's fine, everything's fine. We're all fine here.
Alright, well, give us a bit of an outro about cookies.
Cookies. You know, cookies were invented in 1911 by a man named Cook E. Wallace, and you know, he thought, what if I made a biscuit but I put sugar in it and also chocolate? So he put sugar in a biscuit and also added some chocolate. Everybody hated him, and he died by guillotine the very next day. But later people realized it was actually onto something, and so that's where we get cookies. Yeah.
Alright, totally realistic and accurate. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.